everyone, and welcome to Storytime, brought to you by Chestermere Public Library. Today we're going to talk about germs. So let's start out with reading this book, and it's called Germs Are Not for Sharing. Achoo! Achoo! What do you need to do? Say tissue, please, or reach for one yourself. Blow, wipe, and toss. And then wash your hands. Good job. Cough, cough, cough. What do you need? Turn your head away and cough into your sleeve. Why? Because germs are not for sharing. Germs can make you sick. Oops, oh, what do you need to do? Dropped your cookie on the floor. Put it in the trash. Time to get a new one. Flush. What do you need to do? Go and wash your hands because germs are not for sharing. How do you wash your hands? Warm water with lots of soap. Scrub, 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 scrub. Sing a little song. Rinse, rinse. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So you can sing that song while you're washing your hands. When do you wash your hands? Before it's time to eat, when things get messy, when you need to sneeze or cough or go potty, or any time you need to. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Send those germs down the drain. Bye-bye, germs. Down the drain they go. Smooch, smooch, smooch. Kisses are nice to give and get, but not when you're sick. What can you do? Stand back and blow a kiss and catch a kiss. That's right, just like that. Can you do that? Did you catch it? Good job. So there we go. So this was our book about germs are not for sharing. So now I'm going to show you what germs look like on your hands. So do you see my hand? Is it nice and clean? So watch what happens. There. What do you see? See all, it's dripping. See all those blue little things on my hands? Can you see them? I'll go over here and show you. Can you see them? Those are germs. So what do we do with those germs? We wash them away. And they're still there. So if I was to touch something like this piece of paper, what would happen? I would transfer my germs onto the paper. So if I was to touch a doorknob, I put my germs onto the doorknob. So always make sure to wash your hands really well. Okay, so do you want to sing a little song with me? So it goes like this. All the little germs, dirty and mean, hiding on your palms where you can't see them. Where are they hiding? Where can they be seen? Wash them, scrub them, rinse them away. Then we'll have clean hands. Hip, hip, hooray! Thank you so much for joining us for Storytime today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.